If you've ever wanted to export a HubSpot marketing email as an HTML file, whether for sharing, archiving, or uploading somewhere else, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step to reliably grab your HubSpot email's HTML, save it to your computer, and make sure you have a clean, usable file. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take any email from HubSpot and get the HTML file you need, quickly and safely. All right, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look to the main navigation bar and find Marketing. Click on that and then go to Marketing Email. This is the section where HubSpot stores all the emails you've created for your campaigns, newsletters, and automations. Think of it as your email headquarters. If you're new, it might take a moment to load all the emails. Don't worry, that's normal, especially if you have a big library. Now, to export a particular email, find it in the list and click on its name to open it up. It's important to click the email's actual title rather than just previewing or editing it, because this brings you directly to the detailed view where you can see exactly what your recipients see. Take a second to double-check you've picked the right one. If you're working with multiple versions or test emails, you'll want to get the correct draft. Once you're inside that email's detailed view, hover your mouse over the email preview. You'll see an option to view email, usually appearing as a clickable link or button. Click it, and it'll open a fresh tab in your browser with the web version of the email. This is super handy. What you're seeing here is exactly what gets sent out to your audience in their inboxes. I always like to pause here and scan the content, just to make sure everything looks as expected before moving forward. Next comes the part where we actually grab the HTML. In the new tab with your email's web version, right-click anywhere on the page, not on an image or a link, but just in a blank spot on the email background. In the menu that pops up, select View Page Source, or something similar depending on your browser. This will instantly show you the raw HTML code behind the email, essentially the skeleton that holds everything together. If you've never looked at this before, it might look a little overwhelming, but it's just lines of code telling the browser how to display all the colors, text, images, and structure. Now, click into that Page Source tab. You'll want to select all the HTML code. On most browsers, you can do this quickly with Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. Once everything is highlighted, right-click and hit Copy. Congratulations, you're halfway there. The next step is to put this HTML into a file you can actually use. Open up your favorite text editor. This could be Notepad, TextEdit, VS Code, or anything else that lets you paste and save plain text. Once you're in, simply paste all that HTML code into a new file. Now, when you go to save, here's the important part. Make sure you save the file with an HTML extension. For example, you might name it marketingemail.html. Also, check the Save as Type dropdown or option. Make sure you're choosing all files or HTML files so your computer doesn't accidentally save it as a simple text file. This ensures your saved file will open just like a web page when you double-click it later. And that's it. You've successfully exported your HubSpot email as an HTML file you can use, share, or upload however you need. If you ran into any snags, don't worry. Sometimes browsers or text editors have slightly different steps, but the general process is always the same. I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and easy. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. Every thumbs up means a lot. If you have any questions or got stuck on a step, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, actionable tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.